Hey everyone, welcome back. Bit of a different video away from the repair. We have got the MOT coming up on the car quite soon, and the brake pedal rubber is seeing better days. We've decided to get a bit of an upgrade from the old ones. They're the Astra Insignia VXR pedals, so they're the alloys with the little rubber sponging. These are quite easy to fit, so they've literally just got the little rubber edges like that sit around the pedals. As you can probably see by down here, the accelerator pedal on this car doesn't come with one. The brake and the clutch just come with a standard rubber one completely, but obviously with the way that I drive, it's worn down the brake pedal one quite a bit. So we're going to look at getting them replaced, getting them sorted, and we will get into it. So let's get into it now. So first of all, let's start with removing the old ones. Literally as simple as just pulling the rubber off. Pedal is not exactly in the greatest shape, but same design as the new pedals, just obviously the alloy on the top. So let's get the clutch off. Again, similar design, it's different. So easiest way is to start on one side, try and hook it over, and then just literally work your way around. I have got this little tool that also allows, it's a little trim tool that allows me to get in underneath the rubber without damaging it. You can just get your finger in there to fold it out. Once you've got one on, the others tend to follow quite easy, and it's literally as simple as that. So there's the upgrade to the accelerator pedal. The brake has this little cover to it. These ones, because of their an all-around type, just give that a bit of a wipe. These ones can be a bit of a pain because if you have to hook all four corners in. But again, start in one corner on one side and physically just work your way around. Again, you can use stuff like picks or little screwdrivers. I have got them there just in case, but this is by far one of the best because it's literally a plastic trim tool that allows you to get in, move the rubber around, but hopefully without damaging it. And it's as simple as that. Making sure that you get all of the corners in. You shouldn't have no lips on it like I just had. And there's pedal number 2. Finally, the clutch pedal. Again, hook one of the corners on, work your way around, and then again, any sort of persuasion with getting your fingers in there like that, and then again using simple tools to be able to help get the ball rolling. Once you seem to get it over, it seems to go on quite a lot easier. It's just getting that initial starting point. And as you can see, the top wasn't hooked on correctly there, so that's come out. Again, as obviously I've said in previous videos, this isn't going to be a perfect video of me getting everything done right first time. It's going to be a video of a human making a few little mistakes, and then that's as simply as it is. So again, making sure that it's all secure, it's not going to come off, making sure that all of the lips have gone over the back of them on all of the pedals, and then again simply just try working them to see whether they're going to come off or they are secure, and as you can see, that's all right. So nice quick and easy video, but again, it's it's just a bit of a difference. As you can see, the brake pedal was definitely on its way out. With the car being in for MOT, it probably wouldn't have failed, as obviously it still had rubber contact, but they look a lot better. Big difference between the old versus the new. So, but thanks again for watching this video. Please subscribe and like the video. There's going to be a few more videos up and coming, mainly with an update video on what's happening with the Astra, and then there is a car behind me that has an issue that we're going to get onto quite soon. All of the parts have finally turned up for that, so there will be a video coming for that as well, but that's all in the midst of it all. We'll explain that as obviously it gets further on down the line. But again, appreciate everyone that's liked, subscribed, followed. Go and follow us on socials. Definitely keep up to date. Any comments on any videos that you guys would like to see in the future, again, simple videos like this, or doing stuff that is going to be as big as what that car is, we love to hear it. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.